tree removals, crane-assisted takedowns, stump grinding, and root removal. Our crew is fully insured, fast, safe, disaster cleanup. Crane certified, with years of experience handling tight spots with no damage. And when we're done, there's no mess left behind. And your yard is clean and your home is safe. Our pricing is transparent, no hidden fees, no surprises. Don't gamble with inexperienced crews. Call Viking Tree and Stump, Southeast Michigan's trusted tree expert. We have received more 5-star Google reviews in the last year than any other company in Southeast Michigan.